Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to log in Canva with Microsoft account. To log in Canva with Microsoft account, you need to first open Canva. For this, you can either continue with application or website. I am going to continue with website. So, go to any web browser available on your device. Then, type in www.canva.com. Then press on enter. Now here you'll be taken to Canva's website. Now here you can see login option present on the top right. Click on login. Now here you can see you can log in using different kind of accounts, but you do not see Microsoft account option. So click on the option of continue another way. Now here you can see continue with Microsoft option. Click on continue with Microsoft. Then you'll be guided to another page. Now here you need to enter email, phone or Skype associated with your Microsoft account. Now if you want different kind of sign-in options, then you can click on sign-in options. After entering your credentials, click on next. With this, now here you need to enter the password of your Microsoft account. So enter the correct password of your Microsoft account. Now if you do not remember your password, click on forgot password option. And if you do not want to continue with password, then click on other ways to sign in. After entering your password, click on sign in. Now you will be able to log in to your Canva account. Now here on the top right corner, you can see my Canva account has been logged in and Microsoft account has been used to log into Canva. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.